Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Reddit app crashing on Android. Firstly, what you can do is tap on your settings. After you tap on your phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. After you tap on app management, tap on Reddit. Search Reddit and tap on Reddit. Now tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. After you clear cache, next what you can do is reinstall the app. To reinstall the app, press the app. After you press the app, tap on uninstall and you can reinstall it from Play Store. And after that, what next you can do is, if your app is not update the Reddit app, and you can update Android system web view. After you open the Google Play Store, tap on search. Now start typing Android system web view and you can update the Android system web view also. And if you still have any questions, comment down below.